are in the 40s. That's on an average day. And I am here to tell you that it is going to get a little cooler right in time for fall. Imagine that, right? But it's still going to be warm for the next few days. So let's talk about our next storm system. It's already starting to show up here across the Pacific Northwest. We're at the current day here. So as we move through tonight, warm air is still building in across the Intermountain West and the Central Plains, whereas that trough of low pressure will continue to stay just offshore here around California and bringing through parts of central and northern California some cooler air. This will arrive Wednesday of next week. That high pressure that's in control across our region right now is kind of blocking this system from entering our forecast region any earlier than Wednesday of next week. So as that high pressure breaks down next week and it shifts south, it's going to allow that cooler air to funnel in. So next week, just in time for fall, we'll be introducing some fall temperatures, which will be nice. We still have a few lingering showers across parts of central and northern Colorado. Most of our wet weather stays north of our forecast region this afternoon. However, there's still a chance for an isolated storm to pop up between 4 and 7 p.m. around western El Paso County up to the Palmer Divide and even areas just around Teller County and Woodland Park. And that will be, again, between 4 and 7 p.m. today. And then most locations will be dry into El Paso County this evening. Storms will quickly skirt off towards the central plains of the U.S. We are looking at a dry start on Saturday. Plenty of sunshine in the region. It's going to be a warm afternoon with temperatures in the low 80s in Colorado Springs. Average high this time of year, folks, is 78, 79 degrees for the Springs. So we're not going to be too far off the mark tomorrow, but it's just going to incrementally start warming up just a little bit every day through early next week, and then Wednesday of next week we start to get those cooler temperatures. So 90 degrees for Saturday for highs across the southeastern plains. On Sunday, 86 degrees. So it is going to be, quite a bit warmer on Sunday. And then look at your 7-day forecast here in Woodland Park. Notice how we cap out with the heat Monday and Tuesday. That's where we'll get max heating. To coincide with the heating, we're also going to start to talk about gusty winds coming in. Remember, because our trough of low pressure that's going to bring the cooler air is going to be approaching Wednesday, and that always kicks up the wind. So when you have those windy, warm days before the cool down, you've got high fire danger. So that'll be something we'll be talking about quite a bit over the next 3 to 4 days. Pueblo, 88 degrees Saturday. Sunday, ample sunshine, 93. Fremont County, low 80s tomorrow, upper 80s on Sunday. Just a gorgeous day. And then the official start of fall is where those little beautiful leaves are starting to show up on Thursday, and temperatures will be much cooler in the 60s and 70s. So kind of an old cold rain for us as we enter the first official day of fall. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mary. Well, if you're planning